Hey everyone, welcome to this daily stock forecast. Okay guys, let's start with the SPY here. This morning the SPY gapped higher. As you can see, we're still gapping below this major downsloping trend line. We broke to the upside, and as you can see, some buyers came into this market and we see a nice float higher. Now let's go over some support resistance areas first. The first one will be this 200 moving average. Current price is 166.80. And then we have this gap window at 167.42 on the upside. Then we have this area around 168.41. And then we have this gap fill as major resistance around 168.47. Now on the downside, first support that we have will be this double bottom from yesterday, the 164.77. Then we have a gap window at 164.33, and then a major gap fill around 163.91. Now, what got this bounce in the market? First one, ExxonMobil. As you can see on this chart, Exxon gapped higher, went sideways for a few candles, and then some buyers came in and pushed the stock higher right to gap fill. And from that point on, Exxon is slightly floating lower. As you can see, it's an in spirit of bull flag, so it can play out tomorrow if we can hold this range. So if we don't make any new lows today, we can see some upside in ExxonMobil. Another strong name today was JPM. As you can see on the first candle, a big flush, and now we're trading higher on the stock. So let's go over some resistance for tomorrow. The first one will be this gap window at 52.95. Then we have this 200 moving average, and then we have this gap fill at 53.28, and then this double top around 53.77. On the downside, first support will be this pivot low at $50.70. And let's look for another level here. The other level that I see will be this area, $50.30. You can even watch for appearance of the $50 level. Let's go to other names. Apple. Now as you can see, yesterday Apple rolled over, and now it's making a nice bear flag just above the 200 moving average. So we got a down move, and today we got some sideways action. Now I'm wondering if we can see some more downside, because the 50 and the 20 moving average is still below above current price. So the first big levels that I see, first one we have this gap fill, 497.93. Then we have this prior pivot area at 493.85, and then we have this gap fill at 498.76. On the upside, we still have this double top as major resistance at 513.57, and the next level will be 520. And now let's go over the last one here. Let's go over some hardcore technical analysis. So this morning, as you can see, JCPenney gapped higher. We saw a nice sell-off, came into the stock. My first scalp level was the 50 moving average. I grabbed quick 10 cents on my first half. Second half got stopped out break even. The stock paused the next candle, and then we saw a major decline in this stock. So most traders will look for this level as a major support, the peers of the 13 level. But I want to show you something. If you connect these lows, look where JCPenney found some support. So this was my second scalp of the day, the 75% retrace. We got this upsloping trend line, and we also got this prior consolidation area at this level. So we got three factors to go long, and as you can see, it was actually the low of the day, and from that point on some buyers came in, and as you can see, the stock is trading near the highs of the day. Okay guys, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and I